हिंदुस्तान की आज़ादी की कहानी. A story of shackled days and stifling nights. This is a story of those countless freedom fighters on whose shoulders Indians stood to witness the dawn of independence. India was a beautiful and a prosperous country before. All they did was live happily. Little did they know that their happiness was going to be prisoned over soon. Later, the British came to India for trading. They made their offices and forts in various parts of India. Under the British rule, the Indians were deprived of basic needs socially and economically, and legally discriminated against, misbehaved, mistreated, and tortured. India's first war of independence was a revolt of Indian soldiers and people against British. The rebellion by Indian troops of the British Raj started in May 1857 and continued until December 1858.
You may kill me, but not kill my idea. You will kill my body, but not kill my spirit. दिल हमारा एक है, एक ही है हमारी जान. हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हमें एक की शान. लुटा देंगे वतन पे, हो जाएंगे कुर्बान. इसीलिए हम लोग कहते हैं हमारा भारत महान. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद.
During this period of India's first war of independence, many social and religious leaders worked to inspire the Indian society. They include men like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, and Subhash Chandra Bose, with many other freedom fighters.
I am Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. I am an economist, social reformer, and political leader. I led the committee to drafting the Constitution of India. I should be there rather than now.
These freedom fighters spread the message of self-confidence, removing social evils and making India free from the domination of foreign power. India finally achieved independence from British on August 15, 1947, after decades of resistance and unrest. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives in the struggle for India's independence. On the path of achieving the great independence for India, we also made some historic discoveries. From now, we will go through the founders and current chief officers of Air Force, Army, and Navy who discovered air and naval routes, and the officers who are keeping them safe till the date. We will now have a look at our Air Force officers.
लिखी हवा पे इश्क कहानी, लिखी हवा पे इश्क कहानी, मेरी हीर आसमानी, मेरी हीर आसमानी.
Subrata Mukherjee was an Indian military officer who was the first Indian commander-in-chief of the Indian Air Force. He was awarded several honors during the course of a 3-decade-long career. He has been called the father of the Indian Air Force.
I am Subrata Mukherjee. I am a military officer and first Indian commander-in-chief of the Indian Air Force.
Now we have our Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary, who was commissioned into the fighter stream of the Indian Air Force on 29 December 1982. He is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy. The Chief has a rich and varied experience of operational flying, having flown over 3,800 hours.
I am a Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary, an Indian officer